All right, it's Wednesday, August 21st, 2013. I did the midday recap earlier. If you missed it, go ahead, check on the website, check on StockTwits, YouTube, wherever the heck you want to check it. Go ahead, check it out. I'm just going to do a little follow-up here for the end of the day and just give you some thoughts and ideas to ponder and think about when you're looking at these markets and trading, especially for the new guys out there. I want to help you guys out and make sure you're trading accordingly. And if you got your own trading plan already set up, then by all means, that's great and fantastic and more power to you. But if you want to, just learn a little bit something, hopefully I'm able to help you out. So here we go. Let's take a look at kind of the market in general. And, it's down 104 points, 105 for the day, basically. And this is what we were expecting. If you were watching my videos in the past week, you know that this is the line that I was looking, and we hit it. Now, the main question is are we going to continue lower? If it does break, I'm looking at a couple different levels. I'm looking maybe it may hit here, and we're going to see tomorrow probably if it's going to bounce, and it may take a few bounces for it to go lower if it does decide to go lower. So it may be here at this level. It could be down here at this level. Nobody knows. So we'll see. But, if it goes towards this 200-day, it'll be a lot healthier of a market. And zooming out for the weeklies, let's just say we take this one off. We got this swing low right around here, so it could come back and actually test this here at this swing low, and even possibly over here at that $14,000 or 14,000 point Dow. So where it goes, I don't know. You just have to kind of trade according to the plan and the supports and the resistance. But we did hit that point, and right now, tomorrow, I really want to see what's going to happen. Now, when you're trading stocks and things like that throughout the day, I just want to talk about Netflix because I tweeted about this one a couple times, and it did break over here, and I called it a fake out break just because we went up on decent volume, not anything heavy or exciting, but it was okay, and it was nice for actually a day trade kind of thing, and I sold the rest of my positions today. But a lot of the times when you're trading these stocks, they will psych you out or fake you out. So let's just delete all these drawings, and let me just show you. There was that tapering news and, the government stuff happening and going on right around this time, and this is when a lot of stocks started to go up right here. And people look at it and they say, oh, it's bullish, but you got to look at that volume that was happening. Look at this earlier volume in today's trading. It's all to the negative or downside, basically. All right, and now you're going in on, so that's 257,000, that's 245,000, 192,000, all going into 130 and 150. So 300,000 versus this one alone is, almost 200, 500,000 volume. It didn't make it. It hit right here, this region, had a little bit of confluence right there, and basically close the day negative. And that's what happens. And it's a fail breakout for Netflix. Apple, Google, they're just kind of hanging out right there. Apple's in this region and range for the moment, and Google, again, very similar to what I mentioned, just the same thing pretty much with Apple, hit back up and pulled back down. So it still finished a little positive for the day, but if you look at the intraday action, it hit that line and pulled back down. So that's kind of what they're doing at the moment. But looking at that Dow right now, it's hitting this critical region, and it dipped below that 15,000 mark. So we'll see where it goes tomorrow or the next couple of days. And even if it goes up tomorrow, remember that one day doesn't make a trend. So you want to see a follow-through day and so on and so forth. So that's just kind of my thoughts regarding the market. Same thing with the S&P. It's hitting some critical points, and we're going to see what happens here shortly. All things will reveal themselves, and just stick to your stops, stick to your rules, and just trade them right. And if you don't like this market, if you're kind of new to the game, then just sit out, and it's okay. Just wait for the right time and wait for things to set up in your favor, and then go ahead and spank them to the upside or spank them hard to the downside, whatever way you want to do it. All right, thanks. Have a great day.